Look at the ingredient list below and know that you can make substitutions as far as the vegetables go. You can use fresh or frozen green beans, you can substitute the cannellini beans for dried lentils, and you could always add things like chopped spinach or kale. There's no need to saute your veggies, just add all of the vegetables to a large stock pot. Add some salt, pepper, the entire quart of broth, and add enough water to cover all the veggies. Then bring this to a boil, and as soon as it begins to boil, reduce the heat to low and bring your soup to a simmer, allowing it to simmer at least 2 hours and up to 4 hours. After it has simmered for 2 to 4 hours, add your jar of pasta sauce, along with 1 to 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, the dried basil, minced garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and chopped parsley. Now would also be the time to add chopped spinach or kale. Cover and allow this to simmer another 20 to 30 minutes. This soup freezes well, and its leftovers make for quick, delicious, and healthy eating on busy weeknights. For another great soup, check out butternut squash and sausage soup, and be sure not to miss recipes like my easy gluten-free granola bars. Thanks for watching.